Today, samahan niyo ako sa isang special training session with my client, si Ma'am Mai. From Angeles City, mga 20 minutes drive gamit ang motor papuntang Pandakaki. Let's go! Finally, dito na tayo sa bahay ni Ma'am Mai. And super thankful ako kasi binigyan niya ako ng supplement. It's magnesium glycinate with zinc. Salamat po, Madam! Before we start, syempre, dynamic warm-up muna para i-prepare ang katawan. Kasi kapag hindi tayo nag-warm up, prone tayo sa injury, lalo na sa boxing. Okay, so simulan na natin sa shadow boxing. No throwing jabs, hooks, uppercuts, Tapos, nagbibigay ako ng verbal combos para ma-challenge siya. Medyo natawa kami, especially si Madam Mai, kasi matagal na siyang hindi naka-training with me. Kaya medyo rusty. Pero, masaya. Next, ladder drills para sa footwork. Importante ito para maging mabilis at agile sa workout and doing mitts. Siyempre, lateral movement, focus sa balance, and coordination at the same time. Time to wrap her hands para sa safe punches. Then gloves on. Ready na tayo for some real combos habang gamit ang ladder drills. It's combination time. 1-2, so jab, cross, and then 3-4, left hook, right hook. Habang gumagalaw sa ladder drills. This helps build coordination and endurance. After combos, cone hops naman para sa explosive power. Then these drills para sa side-to-side movement, lahat ng ito para mas maging dynamic ang footwork. So mid pads work na kami. This is where we put everything together. Speed, power, accuracy. Nakaka-excite talaga ang boxing. Siyempre, after the intense workout, massage and stretching, it's time for recovery. Foam rolling, therapy massage, tapos assisted stretching para ma-relax ang muscles at maiwasan ang soreness. Finally, breathing exercises para ma-calm down ng katawan. So, Ma'am Mai is super happy, and satisfied with the session. Sabi niya, miss ko na talaga to. Ang saya naman, di ba? So, this is why I love what I do, helping clients get back on track and feel good. Thanks for watching, guys. Kung gusto nyo ng ganitong klase ng content, please don't forget to like, comment, and share, See you sa next training vlog. Stay fit, stay motivated. Let's go!